Hello and welcome, John Kroner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Friday, December the 7th, 2018. And we're also going to go ahead and take a look at the weekly candles, see how the day and the week ended up. But before we get to that, just want to remind you about some of the services we offer. And the first is a free ebook. If you just go to this bit.ly link here, Bullseye Trader free ebook, and take note, it is case sensitive. I'll have all this information in the YouTube comments for all these links. But our guys came up with this way back in January before all this volatility started, so it was perfect timing. And it gives you 5 different strategies that you can use to play the short side. So very, very good information. I encourage you to, put your email in, check it out. And another thing, if you're getting somewhat interested in this Trade Idea software, or if you do have it, if you go to YouTube, it's a great place to go. You can, find all kind of videos there that help you learn about the product and just tell you more about trade ideas. So here's the link right here to get to the YouTube link. So that is great information. And as always, we encourage you to, try this software if you're not already a member. We have a yearly plan and we have a monthly plan. So, we have pricing for both of those. If you go to this link here, it'll give you the pricing for both. But this is what you get right here on the standard plan. And we have the premium plan that does have the Holly and all the bells and whistles. Certainly the one that I recommend to you. If you use Bullseye 15, case sensitive, I can save you 15% on your first month or your first year. With all that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this and see how these markets did today and for the week. Well, basically, as I look at it, and we're going to see a common theme, and basically the score is 3 red to 1 green in the daily category, and all the weekly candles are going to be bearish engulfing candles. And I want you to take a look at the size of them. Just we started on highs and we closed with new lows on some of them. So take a look here at the IWM. Just straight down all week long, and you can see it there. And we'll go right through them here, and you'll see them all. And here we go here on the Qs. Same story again. Now, we did not make a new low on the weekly there, but there we have that bearish engulfing candle. You can see it plain as day. And the diamonds, I'll take a look at that. There we go. Opened up on the high side, closed very near to lows. Got that bearish engulfing candle, just looking like a world of hurt there. And the spiders, and same story all over again. Look at the size of that red candle, and look at the volume on them. So, very, very tough week in the markets. So stay tuned to next week, and let's see what happens next week. Now I want to go ahead and bring in, let's take a look at the, using the same format, take a look at the FANG stocks. We'll start with Facebook here, and you can see here we've got the 3 red candles to 1 green. The good news is that on the weekly we do not have the bearish engulfing candle. So, Facebook, from that point of view looks a little bit better than what our major indices look like. Now, Apple, we've got 3 or 2 to 2. It's a tie, 2 green and 2 red. But we've got that big bearish engulfing candle. So from the weekly perspective, Apple's not looking very good at all. Netflix opened on, way up here, or at least hit that on Monday, way down here. Not quite a bearish engulfing candle, but, looks like it's in a world of hurt as well. Google, 3 red to 1 green. Almost a bearish engulfing, not quite, but not looking real good there either. And Amazon, if we take a look there, we've got 2 to 2, and that looks a little bit better. At least it didn't pull back quite as far on the weekly candle. So, with everything going on in this climate, we're just going to have to wait and see what happens with all of these indices and stocks, and it's just getting a little bit crazy out there. Volatile, I think, is the key word. Now let's go ahead and take a look and see how Holly made out today. Holly Grill only had 2 trades, one long, one short, and 86-cent profit, $1.62 risk on profit. Her best trade in both categories was BIG, Big Lots. And it was an earnings play, and boy, it got hammered. If you look at that, it closed yesterday at $40, and it went down today as low as about $30.45. So very, very tough day. Holly got out of it because she hit the target, but had you stayed in it till the end of the day, you would have ended up making $1.83. So very nice trade there. And in the Holly 2.0, we had 10 trades, lost 6 cents, but made $5.64 in the risk on category. And if we look at the histograms, you can see here at first she was doing real good, and then she got into the red and the risk off. But on the risk on, boy, once she got going, she just roared all day long. Take a look at what her best trades were. We had the big trade there, was the best trade again. But in risk on, we had INSP. She made $2.18. If you take a look at this, and this is one of those ones that I love, and I started watching this one and lost track of it. I was tied up with the big trade there, but the INSP, she got out for reduced risk, okay, and ended up losing 2 cents. But then once it kicked in, look at this. It just went, $2.18 risk on profit. So beautiful trade there. Let's move our charts up here. Take a look and see how we did for this one. And we had 15 trades in Holly Neo at $1.61 profit. $7.40 was the risk on profit. Her best trade was SUPN at $1.16 profit. That was a timed exit, a short trade, trend play short, and you can see here she got in here, came down, she got up because of a timed exit. Had you stayed in, went on to make $1.88, but that wasn't even the best. Her best one was SOXL. Okay, she got in here, she got out because of a profit save, 75 cents profit. And then it started going again, started working. $3.31 was the risk on profit. So great trades there. Let's go ahead and bring in our Excel spreadsheet. But before I do that, just to let you know that if you're getting anything out of these videos and you want to follow me, you can do that at bullseyetrader.com. You can always like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. And if you get anything out of this video, we'd sure appreciate a thumbs up. Maybe drop in a comment. Maybe share it with some friends and like-minded people. Okay, back to the Excel spreadsheet. And you can see here for today we had 27 trades, $2.41 profit, $14.66 risk on profit. For the week, 126 trades, $6.27 profit, $28.69 risk on profit. So Holly had a fantastic week, considering that the markets were closed on December the 5th on Wednesday to honor President Bush, who passed away, and considering that on Thursday she only made $1.04 in the risk off, lost $1.66 on risk on. So I think Holly had a great week. So, hey, I want to thank you for watching, and stay tuned to next week. It could be exciting. God bless.